Hello everyone, my name is Meftah Tahar. I'm a PhD student at the University of Bijaya, ecologist specialty, exactly animal ecology. In this presentations and in this international seminar, we're going to talk about natural hunters and biodiversity of the highlands in the regions of CITIF, ecology and distribution. Before we start, bats occupy an important place in the kingdom of vertebrate animals due to the Algeria large superficie, abundant flora and fauna, and numerous or various ecosystems that need to be preserved and protected, of course. In case of Chiroptera, Algeria is the home of 27 species belonging to 7 families. Bats are a little-known group of mammals which have not really been studied in depth in Algeria by specialist researchers. Our main objective in this study is therefore to determine that Algeria is need in more in-depth modernized zoological explorations to better define the geographical distributions of these flying mammals present in our country and especially in the highlands region. About the study area, the prospective site is located in the center of Algeria between the province of Sétif and Msila. The designated area is situated in the regions of Oulet Tebban and other municipalities of Sétif. Its geographic coordinates are 35 degrees and 5 in the north and 5 degrees east in the east. This area belongs to the Mediterranean semi-arid climate, which is typically continental, located in the regions of the high plains with a medium altitude that extend 1,016 meters. About the data acquisitions, seasonal collections were carried out in the region's cave between June 2021 and December 2023 using visual observations and capture with south nets. Most of sites visited were natural caves frequented by visitors like hikers and walkers, while others were former mines exploited during the colonial period. So in the final and our result, you can see in the table here the different locations and the different dates and locations with different species found in the highlands region. So we're focusing exactly in the southern region. So our study is focused exactly in the south city, as you see in the cartographic. And finally, we can say the bass populations in the south regions of Sétif is currently represented by 8 species, 3 of which belong to the Rhinolophidae family, 1 to the Miniopteridae family, 4 to the Vespertinionidae family, and 1 to the Rhinopomatidae family. So the Rhinolophidae family was represented by 3 species: the greater houseshoe bat, Rhinophilus phyromkinum, and the lizard's houseshoe bat, the Rhinolophus eposidros. The Miniopteridae family is represented respectively by the Schreiber's bats, Miniopterus schreibersi. This monospecific species lives in symbiosis with those of the Rhinopomatidae family, the lesser free-tailed bat. Finally, the Vespertiniolidae family is the most diverse with the 5 different species: the serotine bat, Eptisicus serotinus, the Maghrebian mouse-eared bat, the Myotis penicus, and the Mediterranean long-eared bat called Plecotus gasleri. And in the final, we can say that Chiropteran explorations were carried out between spring 2021 and summer 2023, in the highlands region of Sétif with a view to establishing a checklist for the first time and ever an update of this taxa group in the future. The investigations began with the primary survey to identify the various habitats likely to host Chiropteran population, with the aim of drawing up an inventory of these species and their habitat. So the acquisitions of advanced acoustic equipment will certainly enable us to identify other species that are still discrete, using this reliable, no-invasive technique to map the spatio-temporal distribution of this living creature. And the presence of bats is an important indicator for assessing the state of biodiversity in the region. This result can give us a picture of the importance of conservation, the environment in which these small flying mammals still alive. And thank you.